Hey traders, today I have a new scalping strategy for the 5 and 1 minute chart, only using 2 indicators, so let's dive right in. So what you want to do is adding these 2 indicators. One is going to be the range filter of the buy and sell of 5 minutes. It is downloaded quite often, and we're going to use a super trend. I'm using the default technical one of TradingView itself. It's this one, the super trend. For the basic super trend, you're not going to change anything. You're going to leave it like that. And for the range filter 5 minutes, the inputs are everything is the same. Only for the sell I've turned off everything instead of buy and sell signal, because we want that. We are going to use that one as our buy and sell signal. We also have a trading signal group for Telegram. If you want to join that, the link is down in the description below. It's in the Patreon. We had a gain on account of 90% this month, and previous month we had around 50%. So if you want to join it, the link is down in the description below. It's in the Patreon link. So this is the screen where we're having now with 2 indicators. I'm going to turn off the super trend and let us look at these entries. So right here you have a buy position. It's on this candle close and you would have had a nice profit. On this sell one you had a nice profit as well. On this buy you would have been stopped out because you would hit your stop loss. This sell position, if you put your stop loss above the last swing, you would have had a nice profit. And this buy signal is really insane. So there was one false signal right here, and that's this buy one. Still, you would have had a nice profit. But what if we can skip these trades if you are not in the current trend of the super trend? So right here, this buy signal you could have taken because you had a switch of the super trend there after this candle closed. So you could have had a nice entry after this candle close. Same for this sell position. Super trend went red and you had the label sell. The only place where you could not have taken the entry is on this buy signal right there. Because the super trend is red, that means you are in a downwards momentum, so you cannot take long positions. So you could have taken this sell position, you could have taken this buy position after the candle closed, because that is where you get a green dot underneath it. This sell position you could not have taken because you're still in the long run. And after this candle you could have taken the long position again. Where did it go to? It went all the way up. You could not have taken this sell position because you were in the green. As you can see, it might work pretty good. This is on a 1 hour chart, keep that in mind. I had to cherry pick something to show you what is the perfect scenario for it. I'm gonna backtest this on the 5 minute chart for 100 times. I will place my stop loss underneath or above the last swing. And risk reward I will do like I always do 1.5. 1 to 1.5. So I'm gonna backtest this one 100 times now, and I'll see you back right after. So, not the best. It's actually really bad for the 5 and the 1 minute chart. I've backtested it before on the higher time frame, on the 1 hour chart. It worked pretty well there, but most of these indicators work better on a higher time frame. It's almost always the case, but according to the creator of this strategy, it was one of the best. For us, it's one of the worst. Unfortunately, our best is still our own with the gain on account, and the Fu Manchu is the best win rate, and it's up to you which one you want to use then. Our own you can get through Patreon, and the Fu Manchu is one of the videos. You can find it if you look it up. You can use this strategy for higher time frames, just skip it for lower time frames. And I'm looking forward to test the next one. If you have a strategy that you want to have tested by me, just DM me in our Discord. The link is down in the description. It's all free. You can just join. We also have a signal group for the free version. Once in a while you get a free signal. It's also in the Telegram. The link is down in the description below. I hope to see you in the next video. Cheers.